What is a matrix? A matrix is an array of numbers arranged in rows and columns and placed in brackets. For example, a matrix could look like this. You would have a bracket, and then inside the bracket could be rows and columns of numbers. Like this. So we can see here that we have 2 rows. So this would be row 1, and this would be row 2. And rows go from left to right. And then we also have 3 columns. So we have column 1, column 2, and column 3. And if you get confused between what a row and a column is, or the difference between rows and columns, I always think of a column as like those Greek columns that stand up and down. And that helps me to remember that columns go up and down and rows go left to right. All right. Every matrix has numbers inside of the matrix. It could be numbers, it could be letters for variables, but each item inside a matrix is referred to as an element. So 5 would be an element, 4 would be an element, 3 would be an element, and so on. So how do we represent a matrix? A matrix is represented by a capital letter. So I've drawn a matrix here, and we could say that this matrix equals A. So I could refer to that matrix as A. We can also represent elements within a matrix using a notation A equals bracket lowercase a with a subscript of ij, where I equals the row number and j equals the column number. So you won't see I and j in the question. You'll see like 2 and 3 or 5 and 2. So let's use what we know about what matrices are and how we represent matrices to do an example.